Hello and welcome to my website. I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Corinne Cordon and I'm the owner of Capella Commercial Mortgage. I can be reached at theloanlady@me.com. I've been a lender for 17 years and I am the host of the radio show Hard Money Talk. What do? I take borrowers and I match them up with investors, and I broker hard money loans, and I pay my investors 12% on their money. Better than that, if you do not make 12% on your money, I pay you a $1,000 penalty fee. So I just wanted to introduce myself so you could get an idea of who I am. I am a graduate of Kingman High School in 1978. I graduated the University of Nevada at Las Vegas in 1985. I got my degree in business administration with a minor in management information systems. So I programmed computers for 15 years, and it was a great time. I loved doing it. I ended up working at Citibank the last 3 years of my programming career, and I ended up in customer service where I learned how to lend money out to people on credit cards. I learned about fraud, and I learned how to identify fraud just by listening to somebody's voice on the telephone. After Citibank, I decided to start my own business in real estate, and I was buying and selling notes and deeds of trust. You may have heard of that. It's not a real well-known field, but once I started in that, I started getting requests from people for hard money loans. And after turning them down for about a year, finally I just gave in and said, okay, I will lend you the money. And I found my investors and I started in. I did very well. So well that in 2002, right after 9/11, which was a very scary time, I started my own company. I got my broker's license and I started Capella Commercial Mortgage. I had regular loan officers and I did conventional lending and commercial lending for 5 years. At the end of 5 years, I decided I would only do hard money lending, and I've been doing that again exclusively since 2007. We have a specialty here at Capella Mortgage. We only lend on small loan amounts. So I've diversified. I stopped talking about myself. I have 2 beautiful boys, a wonderful husband. I'm a ballroom dancer, so is my husband. We compete in international standard at the open gold level. I have some videos of myself dancing, which are available on our website, and I do it because I absolutely love it. It's good exercise. It's a lot of fun. It's fun dressing up. I think it's a lot more fun for the woman than it is for the man. And I think the man, they start out pretty nervous with it, but once they get into it, they really like it. And so when I'm not working, you can usually find me on the dance floor or fishing or reading or sleeping. That's a good thing to do. I work a lot of hours. I love what I do like crazy. I love talking to borrowers and investors and putting them together. I love it when my investors make really good money.